Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the types of concealers that are available in the market. I have done the types of foundations and one more foundation related video in which I told you, or basically I guided you about how you can find your foundation shade online if you are not already aware. And if you are aware and if you want to look into some other brands, you know how you can actually find the foundation shades, I did a video on that as well. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be talking about the types of concealers that are available in the market. So if you guys want to know about it, please keep on watching. The first type of concealers are the liquid concealers, and these are one of the most common types of concealers that are available in the market. You get the concealers that we generally use, those are actually liquid concealers, and they are suitable or they are available for all kinds of skin types and skin textures. They come with buildable coverages and they are also available in 3 different types of coverages, namely light, medium and full coverage. You can opt for the liquid concealer according to your preference. These also come in 3 different finishes: matte, shimmer and satin, and these 3 are actually available in different kinds of brands as well. The texture of this concealer happens to be one of the factor that helps you in deciding which concealer that you want to go for, because according to their texture, even their coverage actually differs. Okay, also matte concealers or matte finish concealers are less likely to settle into the fine lines and wrinkles on your face as compared to that of satin ones, and they also last longer on your face as compared to satin or shimmer finish concealers. They're also very easy to apply and blend as well. All you need is either a doe foot applicator that already comes with the concealer that will actually help you in applying the concealer, and for blending you can either use a brush, a concealer brush, or you can use your fingertips, whatever suits you the best. I would rather suggest that go for fingertips, because what magic fingers can do, brushes cannot really do that. The second type of concealers are pencil concealers, and these are basically cream based products that are usually designed to be used on specific blemishes on the skin. They can also be used as a kohl or a kajal on your waterline. If you are doing a nice dramatic smoky eye look, it can be used as a kohl or a kajal to add a nice freshness onto your look. And if you have small eyes, using a nude or a pencil concealer will actually help in brightening up your eyes and opening your eyes. These concealers can also be used to highlight the inner corner of your eye, especially when you're doing a nice smoky eye look. You can use it in the inner corner of your eyes and that will actually brighten up your look. Or else you can also use these pencil concealers on the brow bone area where you generally apply a highlighter to lift up your eyebrow. You can use a pencil concealer to do the same job for you. As far as blending of this concealer is concerned, you just need your fingertips, because you're applying it on a specific spot. So you just need a fingertip to actually blend it and you're all good to go. You don't require a brush or any other thing to actually blend this. You won't really require, because your fingertips will do the job for you. The third type of concealers are stick concealers, and these are basically suitable for people who have normal, dry and sensitive skin. Also, these concealers are just like liquid concealers that come in buildable coverage, which you can build according to your preference. They also come in matte finish and satin finish. They don't come in shimmer finish. These are the only 2 finishes in which you can get them. Also, they happen to have a very rich pigment, and when you talk about the packaging of it, they come exactly in a lipstick sort of a form, which makes it very easy to carry. To blend these concealer onto your skin, all you need is either your fingertips or a nice concealer brush to blend off the concealer on your face, and you're all good to go. To set this concealer, all you have to do is just set it with a nice loose powder, and you're actually all set for the entire day once you've set this concealer after blending it with a loose powder because it's not going to move anywhere. The one thing that you need to keep in mind is if you happen to have acne prone skin, you might want to stay away from this because it does happen to have a very thick and creamy texture to it. So that thick and creamy texture can actually end up clogging your pores, which can actually lead to more acne related issue on your skin, more breakouts and everything. So you might want to avoid it if you happen to have that kind of skin type. The fourth type of concealers are pen concealers, and these actually happen to have very sheer formula, which is why they don't have too much of coverage. They have very light minimal coverage, and that is what makes it perfect for those days when you want to go for a no makeup look, because it is also going to conceal everything on your face while giving you a very natural look on the face. They come with an inbuilt brush on the tip of it, which is why it is very easy to apply these concealers. Also, it's not a very tough job to actually blend these because since it has a very sheer formula, it's very easy to blend as well. Pen concealers, the texture of it happens to be very luminous, which is why they happen to reflect light, and that is why they happen to be perfect for applying it under your eyes, because if you apply a luminous stuff under your eye, a luminous concealer basically under your eyes, it's actually going to brighten up your under eyes, ending up brightening up your face. The fifth type of concealer are cream concealers, and these are basically available in medium to full coverage. So if you are looking for a kind of concealer that hides up all your pigmentation, your acne scars, all the blemishes and everything on your skin without actually using a color corrector, you can opt for these cream concealers. The consistency of cream concealers are actually very thick, which is why blending can be an issue, and that is why blending these properly is very important, because if you don't blend these concealers properly, these are actually going to look very unnatural and very patchy on your face. It is best to use either a concealer brush, a damp beauty blender, or your fingertips to blend this concealer, so that you blend it out all evenly and very nicely. But I would rather advise you that use your fingertips to blend this, because that way the warmth of your fingers is actually going to make it very easy for a cream texture to blend nicely, which is why fingertips are highly recommended, especially if you're going for a cream concealer. Also, do not forget to set it with a loose powder, because that way you're actually packing the concealer in place, and that way it's not going to move or crease at all. The sixth type of concealer is cream to powder concealers, and these are basically best for people with dry, normal and combination skin type. It is available in matte and powdery finish, and it gives a very light to medium coverage. The only issue with this is, since it comes in a little powdery form, it can settle into the fine lines and wrinkles on your face, which will further accentuate the fine lines and wrinkles on the face. And it's not going to settle immediately, but yeah, gradually with time, as the time progresses, after you've used this on your face, after a couple of hours, it will settle into the fine lines and wrinkles because it's very powdery. Also, if you happen to have very dry skin, it can also settle into the dry patches on your skin, which will furthermore accentuate the dry patches of your skin, and it's going to look very weird as well. It is of the powdery texture, which is why it is very long lasting on the face, which makes it the perfect kind of concealer, but people just do not gravitate towards it because it settles into the fine lines and wrinkles, and if you have extremely dry skin, then it settles into the dry patches of your skin, and it highlights those dry patches after it's settled into them after a few hours, which is why people are not gravitating towards this, but otherwise they're super long lasting after you've applied them. So that's about it for today's concealer gyan. If there is anything, or if there is any type that I actually missed out, you can leave that type in the comment section below, because the more the knowledge, the better it is. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys. Stay home, stay safe.